did a funny.
This is cool, isn't it?
Going for a ride in the fire truck.
How do you run this thing? You put that up and you push the button.
Here we go. Mama rode on top of one of these once.
On top of it?
And a branch almost knocked me off.
Why did you ride on top of it?
Oh, I just wanted to.
Wait, were you allowed to?
Yeah, I think it was this fire truck.
Well, this is the first time for me.
Yeah, this is my first. No, I did it in like
If I'd have known there were seats inside, there's no way I would have been up on top.
Papa, I think a few days ago they fit like our whole like 16 kid classroom seats.
Wow.
In one
Like in
fire
the back. Yeah.
Wow. Pretty nice, huh, Nate? Look at that.
Driving a big motor.
Yeah. What do you think, Momo? You like it?
We're carrying 1,000 gallons of water with us.
Oh, well, we won't be thirsty.
1,000 gallons, yep.
That's tons.
That's a lot.
How much does that weigh?
It weighs 8 pounds a gallon, and if I have 1,000 gallons, how much does water weigh?
I think 80,000. 8,000 pounds. Just in the water. No, 1,000.
8.
8,000. 8,000.
Oh, we're going to go by Jeff's house.
How fast can it go?
Can you remember when Marion Butch lived?
Want to be with Marion Butch? Grab that red
Went to
thing
the
right here.
parade? Oh, pretty cool.
Bang, bang.
Pretty cool.
This is fun. We're turning.
Remember when we came here to the rides and stuff?
Yeah.
Well, quiet today. They're all gone.
Your feet touch the floor?
Yeah.
You see a black switch down there?
And
Over in the corner on the floor? Little black switch?
yeah.
Push it down for a second. Let the heat fall off.
Uh-oh. What's it gonna do?
It's
gonna make a horn sound!
It's not loud in here, it's louder outside. Push it. Oh, it's 'cause the window's open.
Ready?
Yep.
Awesome!
How about that, Momo? Pretty nice, huh? What do you think, Nate?
So when it's doing that, it's people stepping on it?
We can work that one for you. Oh, wrong one. Find the switch.
No problem.
I don't run this side very often. No, it does something more than that.
Papa,